Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Derecho. Unang stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng quality over quantity ay dun na agad sa tinutumbok natin. Friends. Love, you'll meet a lot of people sa buhay mo. You'll be acquainted with them from elementary to professional days of your lives. Pero hindi lahat ng kakilala ay automatic kaibigan. Hindi lahat ng nagiging kaibigan ay pangmatagalan. Like some people in your life, dadaan lang sila to teach you a lesson. But hindi sila itinadhana to stay. And my love, that is okay. No matter what the ending may be thankful for the days that you guys were together. At some point in your life, you can never deny naging masaya ka din having them around. They helped you get through some rough times too. And for that, you should be thankful. Hindi man sila nanatili hanggang dulo, at least you were given a brief moment to enjoy life with them. Hindi din porket di sila nagtagal, peke na sila. Hindi na sila tunay. At some point, sa pagsasama nyo, they were true to you. But differences in life and opinions can make or break a relationship, and maybe yun lang ang nangyari sa pagsasama ninyo. Your differences got the best of you guys, and that's why it ended. All I'm trying to say, my love, stop the hate, my love, sa mga tao sa nakaraan mo, and do not ever doubt yourself na dahil konti lang yung natira sa paligid mo ay pangit ka ng kaibigan. Quality will always be better than quantity. Those who stayed with you are people who can embrace your good with the bad. Stick with them and do them. Tandaan mo, hindi dami ang sukatan ng tunay na kaibigan. Okay? Second stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng quality over quantity ay para naman sa product that you put out whenever you do something. Aminin natin, love, lahat tayo may taglay na katamaran. Guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Meron tayo ugali na okay na yan, at least natapos, o diba? Tandaan mo, love, na your work defines your work ethics. It symbolizes you. So kung pangit yung gawa mo, it tells so much about you. Na ikaw yung tipo ng tao na basta makatapos lang, walang quality control, walang sense of creativity, and on top of it all, unreliable. So if that's something na hindi mo gusto under your name, then have some accountability sa mga ginagawa mo. Put some care into it. I know na may mga trabaho na hindi mo naman talaga nakakakitaan ng pangangailangan ng attention to details, but believe me, people do recognize something na pinag-ukulan ng panahon para tapusin. It's not about the quantity of work you finished, but the quality of it. Aanihin mo yung makatapos ng maaga kung babalikan mo rin lang naman kasi palpak sila, 'di ba? Instead na nakasave ka ng oras, lalo ka lang nawalan, 'di ba? So love, when you do something, always think of your brand. Kahit ano man yan, it defines who you are, not only as a professional, but as a person. You are what you put out. So make sure it is as great as you are. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng quality over quantity. Alam kong umay na umay ka na dito, love, pero there's no better way to describe the meaning of life than this. It doesn't matter how much you have in life. What matters is the quality you chose to live your life. Who wouldn't want fancy cars, madaming properties, madaming pera? Ipokrito ka if that's not something you would want for yourself. But as you move towards achieving that goal, love, please do not forget to appreciate the things you already have. Very much applicable to sa mga tao na dating meron, sabay nawalan. Tas ngayon ay pinipilit balikan kung ano man yung meron sila dati. Love, I get it. You used to have a lot, and wouldn't it be nice to have those days back again? But what you have right now ain't so bad. You used to have a lot of money pero few friends, no time for your family, no real and solid relationship with someone, walang direksyon. Now, meron kang lesser amount of cash but enough to get through your everyday needs, real friends who'll fight and stick with you through rough times in life, a tighter bond sa family mo, a true love that looks beyond the amount that you have in your bank, and most importantly, a purpose and direction in life. Hindi mo man maibalik yung dating yaman mo, love. Ang importante is you learn to value the things you have in life. And if ever maabot mo ulit yung dating rangya na nakasanayan mo, this time around, you'll know how to make use of it sa mas meaningful na paraan. Love, remember, money may have the power of making the world go round, but it's not the fountain of happiness. The sooner you see that, the lesser you'll lose in life. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, pwede natin idiretso ang usapan na to over at my Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. You are still with me, DJ Lala, and you are still tuned in sa aking programang biyahe. Ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Lover Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.